Vietnam Transit Visa is a type of visa for foreign passengers to stop in Vietnam for a short time before continuing their flight or trip to another country. Here are the details. 1. Conditions for applying for a transit visa. Passengers have a connecting flight ticket from Vietnam to a third country. The transit time in Vietnam is usually no more than 24 hours. For some countries, the time may be longer depending on current regulations. If you do not leave the transit area at the airport, some cases do not require a visa. 2. Duration and type of transit visa. Duration usually lasts from 1 to 5 days, depending on the specific situation and the decision of the immigration authority. Visa type. Transit visa can be single entry and is only valid for transit purposes. 3. Transit visa application requirements. To apply for a transit visa in Vietnam, passengers need to prepare valid passport, valid for at least 6 months, onward flight ticket, proof that you have a next flight leaving Vietnam. Transit visa application form can be filled out directly at the Vietnamese embassy consulate or submitted via online visa service. Visa application fee. Fees vary depending on the country and visa service. 4. Transit visa fee. Transit visa application fees are usually lower than other types of entry visas, ranging from about 5 to 15 USD, depending on the country and type of visa support service. 5. Transit visa exemption cases. Passengers may not need to apply for a transit visa if they meet the following conditions. Do not leave the transit area at Vietnam's international airport. Transit time is shorter than 24 hours and continue to another country without entering Vietnam. Visa-exempt passengers from countries that have a visa exemption agreement with Vietnam. 6. Note: a transit visa does not allow you to engage in activities other than transit. If you plan to stay in Vietnam for a few days and do some sightseeing, you will need to apply for a tourist visa instead of a transit visa. 7. Transit at major airports in Vietnam. Some major international airports such as Tan Son Nhat, Ho Chi Minh City, Noi Bai Hanoi, and Da Nang are popular transit points. Passengers transiting at these airports can often travel via domestic or international flights easily, but should note visa requirements if leaving the transit area. If you have any questions or need advice, please leave a comment or contact Vietpower Travel via the information in the description. Thank you for watching.